I want to chat with you today regarding a couple of things you have to keep in mind and then throw out some options for you depending on which particular situation you're facing. My name is Brian Malo and I'm the president of Trusted House Buyers. As a leading local home buying company, we come across this question very often. I'm speaking to you today, in fact, from a house where we've been told that someone wants to sell a house without a realtor in San Diego. As we start to look around here in this house, let's continue to talk about this topic and this concept and discuss when it might actually benefit you. Here we are today in Del Cerro, San Diego, in a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that's just under 2,000 square feet. Now, when someone decides to sell their home on their own, it's a practice often known, as you probably know, as a for sale by owner. Just about every homeowner who is looking to pursue this option is doing it to avoid paying your standard realtor fees. Most listing agents in San Diego who are part of the California Association of Realtors will charge anywhere between 5% and 6% to list your home, and those commissions are split usually between the listing agent and the buyer's agent. The entire cost of this, though, is the responsibility of the seller, in addition to the other closing costs that you will incur. So these can add up very quickly and put a major dent in the net profit that you'll receive once everything is paid out. Now, with the digital age and so much available online with websites like Zillow, it's common for a homeowner to feel that the realtor isn't doing anything more than what they could have been doing. Especially in a tight market like we have now. It is not unusual to see more sellers feel empowered to sell the home themselves, hoping to save half or all of the commission. If you have a high-priced luxury home or you're going to get top of the market pricing, you want to make sure that you are pricing the home correctly and marketing it as much as possible. Those public real estate sites can often be pretty misleading. So make sure you do a significant amount of due diligence and certainly try and remove your emotional connection to the home. If your home is newly renovated or new build, the realtor probably will have access to additional marketing tools that might really be worth it and worth the time and effort and the cost during the sale of this type of home. Now, if you're going to go at it alone, and your house is not in a brand new condition, or if you're thinking, how do I sell my San Diego house as is, you must understand that in a traditional real estate transaction, there can be a lot of paperwork and legalese. If neither you or the potential buyer have any experience in this arena, you might want to speak with a real estate attorney or a title company to give you some advice on how to handle the transaction and to make sure it's executed as needed. But if you are working with an experienced buyer, they should be able to help you with all the standard procedures of the transaction. At Trusted House Buyers, when we work with a homeowner, it's our commitment to provide all the documentation to make the sale as smooth as possible. In fact, we review it all complete with the seller so we can be sure there are no misunderstandings and make sure everything is done how it's supposed to be done, particularly through a neutral third party like a title company. And since homeowners who wish to sell a house without a realtor in San Diego are mostly doing it to save money, we always offer to pick up any of the other costs related to the transaction. This will include title and closing costs. So the net amount we offer you is going to be the net amount that you will receive, minus any mortgages you might have. There's a section on our website that will provide you with a very clear comparison of the advantages and disadvantages of using a real estate agent. If you are looking to sell a house without a realtor in San Diego, then we might be able to help, especially if you are looking for a quick close and an all-cash offer. We buy homes as is, and you can leave any unwanted items behind. We've been helping San Diego homeowners in all kinds of situations sell their homes fast for cash. We love providing folks with an option that allows them to sell an unwanted home or one that they need to move on from in a fair, above-board transaction. There is never any obligation to hear what we can do, and there's certainly no obligation to get an offer from us. And if it's something that works for you, great. If not, that's okay too. We are a local family-run company out of San Marcos, San Diego, and at Trusted House Buyers, we hope we can be of help. If we can't, we'll be pretty quick to let you know that as well. Call our company today at 619-786-0973. My name is Brian, and don't hesitate to ask for me. We can certainly chat about your situation and discuss whether or not we're a good fit for it. Thanks for watching, and good luck.